Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our channel, Ustad Faisal Simplified Classes for Quran and Arabic. طيب, after brief introduction of the Arabic alphabets and vowels and a couple of practices, our intention was to go through this book, معلم القراءة العربية مع قاعدة بغدادية, also known as the Green Book. You can see the color. So a lot of students imply this book as the Green Book. طيب, the book has been authored by a sheikh by the name Mustafa Muhammad al-Gindi. May Allah protect him, may Allah reward him and his family and all those who made this book possible. طيب, this is the current copy I have for 2019, but I hope inshallah others will come. طيب, the book is 159 pages. It starts from the beginning, from Alif all the way through the end. Maybe at the end we have a little bit of tajweed. Okay, a little bit of tajweed. Let me show you here. Okay, طيب, as you can see here we have أحكام النون الساكنة والتنوين. We have الإظهار, الإدغام, الإقلاب, الإخفاء. So by the time a student finishes this book, he should be very good in the Quran. طيب, and that is the intention of the author. Also at the end the author has compiled a bit of hadith, طيب, the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So for this Ramadan, inshallah, we'll be going through this book. Inshallah, do not forget us in your dua, and also the author of the book and all those who made this book possible for students and beginners and parents also, and teachers as well. طيب, inshallah, please do not forget us in your dua. Do not forget us in all your ibadat. طيب, we wish you Ramadan Kareem and so maqbool, and also let other people know about our channel. Inshallah, do not forget to subscribe as well, and all other things, every day people say these days. Inshallah, ma'a salama. See you in the beginning of the page. Thank you for your time. Shukran.